Dok?
O anak, baka gayahin mo na naman yung nangyayari sa bansang Israelita. Nagmurmur sila, iniyakan nila yung karne at isda. Eh, binigyan na nga ng mana. Eh, ang mana pala, ito pala yung nire-representahan niya ng fruits, nuts, grains, and vegetables. Kaya pag nireject mo yung fruits, nuts, grains, and vegetables, yung back to original diet, you are rejecting manna from heaven.
Naku, Dok, ang sakit.
And once you reject the health reform, which is the ethos of health, you don't reject Ellen G. White. You reject
God.
God.
Yun ang nakakalungkot.
And when you are rejecting God, you commit unpardonable sin. May quotation si Mrs. White. Kaya yung sasabihin ninyo na yung pagsasara ng pintuan ng awa, yung close of probation, even, you can even close your probation even right now. Subukan mo, nakalimutan mo na yung health reform. Right there in there, aanihin mo na yung bunga.